Hey guys, what's up? This is Jason with Fender Garage, and we're going to talk about a product we've talked about once before, but we've actually added another part to it to help make it a little bit easier. So anytime you're doing a LS or Coyote or any kind of a swap, there's the concern about how you're going to cool the transmission. Now, there's a lot of theories out there. We've adopted one, and that is cool the transmission independently versus whatever the engine and radiator can handle. So if the engine's getting hot, then your transmission's getting hot because it can only get and handle so much cooling, and cooling both of them at one time is a little bit tough. So we here at Fender Garage, we independently cool our transmission. And so with that, we use a Durrell cooler, which is right here. I'll show that off. We got this nice Durrell cooler. It comes with these really nice AN lines right there. And then we have a bunch of fittings right here that'll help you connect all that. So with that, we also help you with providing an adapter to the transmission. And so you get this really cool adapter. It comes with a 195 degree, 200 degree, right around there, temp sender. And then it's perfectly mounted right here. So as your flow comes out of the tranny, as soon as your transmission gets to that 195, 200 degrees, this is the outflow, and so it automatically triggers this fan to come on and help cool it down. Well, oftentimes you've been left with trying to decide, like, where am I going to mount this thing? How am I going to mount it? And that becomes a little bit tricky. So what we decided to do was build this universal, it's made out of aluminum, cooler mount. So this just mounts right on the side of the frame. So if you can put it underneath the cab, you can put it underneath the bed, and you can put this anywhere. This piece right here, right there, mounts right in there, and then you can see that you actually have, you can connect it right there through your AN lines to just go right through the side of it. Works perfectly. We use it here on our new chassis. We use it here on old chassis. We're doing conversions, whatever it is we're doing. We use this nice piece here. It's lightweight, it's out of aluminum, so you can actually powder coat it, you can leave it aluminum, you can do whatever you want with it. So really cool product. This actually kind of completes the product in our opinion, makes it more DIY install, a little bit easier. We've sold probably a couple hundred of these. This was something that we took time to develop. We've actually had something in prototype process for a while, but coming up with one that actually made sense for everybody, this worked out great for us. So we're actually debuting this piece. It'll be a separate piece you can buy. You don't have to buy it all together. Of course, you can buy this piece differently, and just so you're not committed to that, but or you can just add it to your cart, and makes it easy for install. So that's all we got about this, but we got a lot more videos coming up. On our YouTube channel, Instagram, we'll be launching stuff and kind of introducing a lot more products. We've been developing a lot of products recently that we are excited to kind of share with you, and hopefully your Coyote swap or a Godzilla swap. We also have these that work for a Godzilla. And so hopefully this will help you with cooling your transmissions and, you know, just kind of fighting that process. It's everything has a recipe to it, but as you kind of, you know, go through the process, finding someone that's actually done it, how they do it, what recipe do they use, makes it a little bit simpler when you're trying to accomplish, and you can do these swaps in your own garage. So stay tuned for more, and with that, happy hot rodding and good luck with your projects. Thanks.